Mac introducing his birthday.
Lalong humina.
Lakas mo na.
Lakas pa, baby. Edwin Matthew.
Edward.
Edward.
Edward. Sino si Edwin? Sino si Edwin? Edward. Edward Matthew. What is your surname, kuya? Yeah, surname. Ano ba
Manala.
Manala?
Manala.
Manala?
Manala.
Manala.
Manala. Dito sa...
Manala, friend.
Manala.
Manala.
Kasi pili ko, Mateo lang yan ba? Kuya, when is your exact birthday? Birthday mo, when? Kailan?
Your birthday na.
June 10. June 10. Ano? June 10? Ano na ngayon? Late celebration, guys! August na pala tayo, August. Isang buwan na pwede at least 10 atin mo. So, June 10, 2018. Tama po, mami. Okay. So, how old are you now, Kuya Mata? 7 years old.